degrees, and the relative humidity 73%. The wind was west at 9 miles an hour. Island, Maryland.